My child is too young to get a COVID vaccine. How do I keep her safe?
Great question. So many of us have young children under 12, myself included, who can't get vaccinated for COVID-19. And we're all interested in how to keep our children as safe as possible. One of the key things to do as a parent of a child is to make sure that their environment is as safe as possible. That means that all of the adults and all the people over 12 who interact with that child should be vaccinated. So make sure you're vaccinated and any other adults that you're bringing around that child. The next thing to think about is where your child is going. Many of our kids really need to go to some places where other people are not vaccinated, so daycare or school, because of all the critical positive things that happen there. But it's important to make sure that your daycare or your school is following all the other COVID-19 safety precautions to keep your kids safe. And last but very much not least is to think about how your kid is gathering with other kids. Because your child is not protected the same way you are by your vaccine, it's really important to avoid travel with that child to the extent that you can, and certainly to make sure that gatherings with other kids are mostly outside. Kids should really still have only kind of a pod of friends that they spend time with indoors. You want to keep the number of indoor contacts for your children very small.